A sun salutation A is a great way to get started for class. It's a series of poses that uses your breath in order to get you warmed up. Now let's get started. Starting at the front of our mat, we're gonna have 10 toes facing forward, rooting through all 4 corners of our feet. You're gonna take a deep inhale and raise the hands up overhead, making sure those shoulder blades are turned down the back. Our pinkies are gonna be facing toward the front of the room. And on our exhale, we're gonna dive forward into a forward fold. Take an inhale and bring those fingertips up towards your shin, elongating your spine with no wrinkles in the back of your neck. And then exhale, deepen the fold, plant the hands, and step back into a plank, lowering down to the belly. Now suctioning your belly button up off the floor, engaging that core, you're gonna inhale up for cobra, staying light in through the hands, and exhaling down. Curl the toes, inhale, push up into plank, and exhale back into a downward facing dog. 10 fingers facing forward, 10 toes are facing forward. We're gonna put our energy up through our thigh bones toward the back of the room, and our shoulders should be buoyant here. We shouldn't feel locked out in our shoulders. Inhale, look up. Exhale, step up, back into our forward fold. Inhale into that nice flat back, long spine, and exhale, forward fold again. Inhale, rise, hands up overhead, keeping those shoulder blades down the back, and exhale back into our starting position or mountain pose. A sun salutation A is a great way to get warmed up for class. Now let's go into some modifications and how we can tailor it for your practice. Now if you can't touch the ground, that's all right. That's what we have blocks for. Bring them over. You can always change the level of them in order to make sure that you're bringing the ground closer to you and easing this forward fold stretch. Eventually, our goal is to bring them flatter and flatter, or not using them at all. If you find yourself needing to modify your down dog, this is what I like to do. If you're somebody who has a wider shoulder base, say you have a lot of muscle, you're gonna widen your hands to about mat distance apart to provide yourself some extra room. If you find that you can't quite get your heels down as far as you'd like, you can also widen your stance of your feet, help get those feet down towards the ground. If you're somebody who has really bad wrists, or maybe you've had issues in the past, you can grab your blocks, place them about shoulders distance apart here, and then you can grab them with your hands and push up just like a normal downward facing dog. It takes a little bit of pressure and wrinkles off of the back of your wrists. With enough practice, you'll have a down dog with as little modifications as possible. If you're a beginner at yoga, a sun salutation A is a great way to have a nice, firm and solid foundation.